Welcome to the exciting world of automotive innovation. In today's video, we're diving into the highly anticipated third-generation Porsche Panamera, set to make its world premiere on November 24th. This luxurious sporty liftback has undergone a major transformation, especially in the interior department, borrowing a few tricks from the acclaimed Taycan. But that's just the tip of the iceberg, so stick around to discover the fascinating details. The new Porsche Panamera is taking the automotive world by storm with its thoroughly modernized interior. Ahead of its November 24th world premiere, let's explore some of the remarkable features that set this car apart. First and foremost, the interior design of the Panamera is a testament to Porsche's commitment to innovation. Much like the all-electric Taycan, this model boasts a sleek and futuristic cabin with minimalistic controls. Say goodbye to conventional buttons and switches, as most functions are seamlessly integrated into the screens and touch-sensitive keys located on the center console. The centerpiece of the interior is the 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster, providing crucial information at a glance. Flanking this cluster is a center touchscreen, which ensures easy access to various vehicle functions. Additionally, there's another display on the passenger side of the dashboard, offering a unique user experience. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The center console of the new Panamera incorporates electrically adjustable air vents and a storage area that's more spacious than ever, allowing you to stow away your belongings with ease. What's more, in the rear, Porsche has installed yet another touchscreen, giving rear seat occupants the ability to control various settings, from media to navigation, and even ambient lighting, creating a truly immersive driving experience for everyone on board. For those who crave even more space and luxury, the Panamera offers a longer wheelbase executive variant. This model provides greater rear legroom and features newly contoured seats for enhanced comfort on those long journeys. But what is truly exciting is that, for the first time in the model's history, Porsche is introducing a leather-free upholstery option, combining Racetex and Pepita fabric, emphasizing sustainability and style. Despite its size and weight, the new Panamera maintains a driver-centric focus. Most of the essential functions are within easy reach, making your driving experience more intuitive and enjoyable. The driving mode selector is conveniently located on the steering wheel, allowing you to switch between modes effortlessly. Additionally, the steering wheel also incorporates a toggle switch for navigating through the menus on the digital instrument cluster. And if you opt for the optional head-up display, you can control it from the steering wheel as well, ensuring that your attention remains on the road. And that's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for joining us on this journey into automotive excellence.